You build here, you build them there. You build them everywhere. You have gotten amazing, you see. You might be the best Lego player.
Yeah, player, right?
Player to ever be
What is that?
something else.
Why?
You have gotten good at reading. at reading. It said at. I don't know, because I think when most people do that, it means they kind of forgot. Reading lettered. Oh wait. Oh, it's 8.
Yeah.
It looks like it. Wait, where are we? Oh.
Yeah. That's what I pointed to. That's where you are.
Hard words, not just hurt.
Hat.
Or hat.
Cat.
Cat. Using your brain, you do so well. Can you use your body just as well?
So now Sint wants you to do a few things before you can open your present. So can you do a boxer sit-up?
A what?
What's all that?